So this is the final. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you already know, it's your girl Faulata Lihabi, back again with a very beautiful and very simple hairstyle. The simple tools you'll need for this hairstyle are a comb, water and braids. I'll start by moisturizing my hair, then I'll part it into a few sections. This time I'll be starting with the front section, contrary to what I normally do. This is because I'll be doing these crisscross braids for the first time in the right front section of my hair. So first of all, I divide my hair into 3 sections. For the first section, I'll further divide it into 2 equal parts. For the first part, I part a small box braid which I braid but not that I won't finish braiding till the end. For the second part, I part another small box braid and continue braiding. When I'm done with that, I part another box braid in the first part, but this time I'll take the already braided box braid from the second part and cross it over to the first part and continue braiding. You can kindly watch as the process continues. I'll be using my ombre braids. Just take a look at that color. Oh, yes. So I normally apply some Vaseline at the palm of my hands, and then I run the braids through my hands. This helps to smoothen out the braid so that it doesn't scatter all over. So this is how I get to divide my braid, and then I start the braiding process. So guys, I had to fix all the braids first before I could finish because I had an appointment that I didn't want to miss. So I had to go with the hair like that first, then I came to finish up later. I didn't focus on the parting so much this time, but I still love the outcome and the neatness. This is the end product. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.